In today's video, we're looking at the website structure with respect to the web pages. All right, so the first component on a web page is a header, right? So here's a header here. So if you want to add a logo, you could click this icon, go to upload, then you would choose your icon. Let's say this is the icon. Open. You can close this. Okay, so there's our logo for our restaurant. If you want to edit the logo, you would click here and edit it. All right, so this part here is the header, right? It has the navigation bar here, right? And the header will appear on each web page, and also it maintains its location at the top of the page for each of the pages. And if I scroll down, well, I need to go to preview, and then look now. If I scroll down, you see that the header, which is the top section, remains in place, right? So that's the first component is a header. So the header can include a logo and a banner, right? This area here is a banner. Now, in previous times, the header would comprise of a banner, which is shown here, and the logo. But current trends in web design, the navigation bar is in the header, all right? The next component of the website structure with respect to the web page is a navigation bar or menu bar. So this is a navigation bar or menu bar. It allows you to access the different pages that are on the website. Okay, so I'm on the home page right now. If I put the website to the tablet mode, right, you can see that the web page has adjusted to the tablet mode, right? I'm going to put it now to the phone mode, and what you can see is that the menu transformed into this icon, three horizontal lines stacked on top of each other. This icon is called a hamburger. And the reason why they call it in a hamburger is that if you look at the side view of an actual hamburger, then it resembles the hamburger. So this is how it got its name, right? Now, when you when you click on the hamburger, right, it shows the sidebar, right, which is a vertical feature that allows you to access the different web pages on the website, right? So because space is limited, in designing the web page, you would utilize this hamburger icon, which allows you to open and close the vertical rectangle that has the names of the different web pages on the website. So if I close this, I can see the current page that I'm on, right? So if I click on it, I can access the contacts us page, I can access the chef page, and I can access the menu page, right? So if I come back now to my large screen view now, I can see the full page on the screen because it is larger than the phone size, right? So if I click home, I'll be back on the home page. So that is a navigation bar. The next component of the website structure of a web page is a hero or feature image, right? So it's a large image, right, that now normally spans the width of the web page, and it gives an idea of what the website is about, right? So this is the hero or features image, and beside below here we can, here it says caption for a popular dish. You can briefly explain what this website is about. Okay, so here it is. It tells the viewer what it is about, and tells them thanks for visiting the site. All right, so that's the heroes or features image. Now another website structure for the web page is sliders, right? I'm going to add a web page to this website so that I can show you the slider. Now the slider can go on any page, but it is normal, it's mostly placed on the home page where the hero or features image would be. So it would normally be where this photograph is, but it can be on another page. So I'm going to show you how to make another page. You're going to go to click here, pages. Then I'm going to click this plus icon here to make a new page. And I'm going to call this page, let's call it photos. I'm going to click done, right? And on this page, I'm going to insert a slider. All right. So I'm going to go to the insert tab here. I'm going to scroll down and look for the image carousel. I'm going to click on it. And when this box comes up, you have to click this plus sign to upload the image. All right. So I'm going to look for an image, and I'm going to choose this image. Open. I'm gonna choose another image. I'm gonna choose this one. Open. I'm gonna choose, yeah, you have to choose at least two images to use this slider or the image carousel. Upload image. This image. All right. Gonna click insert. And now when this is our photos in the carousel or the slider carousel. When we go to the preview, right, on the photos page, see, we can either click these circles, we can click these arrows and scroll left to right or right to left. Okay, so this is how you would insert a page on the website builder and insert images and insert a slider. All right. So if you have your documents to upload, it's the same procedure we would use to upload your documents, just like how I upload the images, right? All right, so let's go back to our home page, right? So that's a slider, right? All right. Now, the fifth component is the website content, right? Now, the website content can include information for the visitors to your website. So you could have text, videos, links to other parts on the web page or other web pages, and it could also have other photographs and pictures. Okay, so website content means all the elements used to communicate the message to the viewer that is visiting the website. All right. And again, we can use videos, text, links, and other elements to communicate the message to the visitor to the website. We have come to the end of part one of two videos covering the topic website structure of web pages. In part two, we will start in the second part of the video.
Thanks for watching the video and don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, comment and share.